Antioxidants. Antioxidants in a skincare, what exactly role, and also what is antioxidant? Why is this so much important? And every single dermatologist like recommended to you use antioxidants. So, what are the antioxidants and how you find out in your product is this contain or not? Antioxidant that's be basically a part of skincare which will be removing your free radical and oxidative stress in your skin. So that's why your skin will be feel so much easy, and also this will be boost up your collagen production, like focusing on a vitamin C, absorbic acid. Vitamin C, depending on different percentage according to your skin type, like which skin type you condition facing. So some patient and some people will be saying, is this used for melasma? No, this is not used for melasma. This will be used for like on a daily basis when you goes outside in a sun, your skin will be damaged. So that's why to reducing this oxidative stress in your skin and also to boost your collagen production, providing a best antioxidants, vitamin C. Vitamin C is a great choice. That's work well in your skin, goes deeper into your dermis layer of a skin, and also reducing a melanin production and also reducing your free radicals. So that's why your skin will be looking a lighter and brighter complexion when you use it on a regular basis. And another thing is alpha hydroxy acid, just a little bit. This will be glycolic acid. This will be antioxidants property. Sometimes azelaic acid is the best one ingredient, which is a great antioxidant. And also this will be work. Antioxidants will do a great work for your skin, and this will be reducing your fine line wrinkle, signs of aging, premature aging. So that's here is lot of serums and creams will be available, which is a mixture form of containing AHA and vitamin C and also licorice extract and alpha arbutin. All of them form of a vitamin multivitamins. This will be contain vitamin A, C, and also that's contains some antioxidants property, and also blueberry extract, and which is a amazing one. Like some product will be contain AHA and a BHA and also contain all of them antioxidant properties. This is just a little bit information about antioxidants. So if you're interested more about antioxidant, I make a complete detailed video. If you given me a good response, here this channel is related to skincare and overall health. So if you're interested, um, about skincare and also focusing on health. This channel is made for you. Thank you so much for watching.